هلا شباب، شلونكم؟ شو اخباركم؟ اليوم عندنا تو ديفرنت جيتارز. فيلينج اللي هو لاس بول ستايل، واوشن اللي هو اولموست وارلوك ستايل. العازفين مختلفين، ميكسي وإيرجال، صاحب إيرجال اعتقد. حنصلحهن وحنعزف بيهن ونشوف المقارنة بين انه الجيتار ميد فور روك والجيتار ميد فور ميتال. خليكم من الفيديو.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me, cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place, off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, chance to be ruthless. But it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear
بسمع المهزلة. فتحت ما أعرف منو الزمال اللي مفكر إنه لازم يلزق الشيلدينج هيجي عشان يسوي فاير كيج. إنه that's fucked up. هذا أصلا عاطل، وهو هذا أصلا مو مال جيتار. المفروض مثل هذا يكون اللوجز مالته دوائر، مو هذا من المستطيلات مال جماعة الأردوينو. I don't know what the fuck is this, what the fuck is this. يعني people are retarded يعني والله. Let's fix this shit. تعالوا بقى على المهزلة الثانية، الستاندينج كسر whatever. That is stone رابطها فوليوم وأصلا مكسورة من قاعها. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? هذا منو المعتوه اللي رابط هذا؟ المتخلف عقليا، الزمال يعني man that's crazy man. update، لقينا 2 مقطوعات. هاي ما أعرف مال يا بيك اب، هاي والله مالت الجاك انه whatever. هذا مقطوع ايش دا الزم بيدي دا يوقع، هو اصلا مقطوع من قاعه. people are weird. بس باوع لي هذا اللي الجراوند اللايف. هذا شنو هذا الزمالة رابطة. I fucking hate people والله. واحد كم واير مقطوع، كم واير ما إلى أصيل. يا أخي إذا ما تعرف إيش دا تسوي لا تسوي، لازم أفكه كله وكله أرجع ربطه من جديد.
So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know.
اوكي وعم فكيت تقريبا كل شيء. عرفت شنو اللعبان نفس اللي يصير هنا. المتخلف اللي كان رابط الجيتار قبل، بس اعتقد اقدر اقربها. فوكس انه حتى السولدرينج مالته انه مريض. انه الاحمر المفروض اللي هو لايف رابطه جراوند. يعني ما اعرف شو اقول، والله ما اعرف شو اقول بعد. فايش حنسوي؟ حنربط له 2 من هذني المحترمات و we hope for the best ان شاء الله.
I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So
سوري تأخرت عليكم، أو مو تأخرت عليكم، انتوا تتابعون فيديو، أنا تأخرت على نفسي. المهم، تعرف الجيتار زبالة من إنه لازقي لك الشيلدينج بش اسمه بغير الله أعلم شنو هو. سويت حاولت يبقى بي نويز، لازم نظل اطخ الجيتار اتقرضه. البيكابات حرفيا انتانا unwaxed piece of garbage unfortunately. بس يلا ما يخالف، مو مشكلة، سأكمل ضب وتقريبا خلصت كل شيء. يبقى بس دقك مو اخو انه ها هي بدل الاوتار وست اب و let's rock.
But now, yeah, make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh, yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. والله الجيتار هذا نويزي بشكل مو طبيعي. جربت كل شيء تقريبا، بدلت البوتنشيومترز مرتين، بدلت السويتش. المشكله كلها من البيكابات من قاعد تعبانه. ف that's a bummer for ميكسي. نجرب جيتار ايرجار او صديق ايرجار. Dang, that's a good guitar.